If you're on the hunt for the most durable carton flow product on the market, then look no further than SpanTrack, the original carton flow track by UNEX. SpanTrack is the world's most popular carton flow product and is trusted by thousands of distribution and manufacturing facilities worldwide. SpanTrack's ultra-durable construction is now available in two models, a full-width roller lane and a universal wheel bed. The full-width roller lanes provide maximum surface area under the cartons and will provide the best flow on the market. The universal wheel bed provides a flexible carton flow solution that accommodates product to be easily reconfigured and is ideal for applications where there's a high variance in product width. SpanTrack is designed to drop into your existing pallet rack using standard beams and allows for first-in, first-out storage. Having first-in, first-out storage allows picking and replenishment to happen simultaneously without the workers interfering with each other. Whether you're picking full case or split case, SpanTrack is the solution for you. SpanTrack's full line of accessories and end treatments will provide the best solution so that your products are presented to your pickers and the product is accessible. With a capacity of 50 pounds per foot, SpanTrack is designed to withstand the toughest warehouse conditions imaginable. Need to flow something even heavier? No problem here. SpanTrack Heavy Duty can take the load. If you're tight on space, SpanTrack will help you maximize space and use your existing pallet rack. The next level of order picking starts with SpanTrack.